say that I should trade up now that I got some jangle in my pocket. But what they don't understand is it's the miles that make a man. I wouldn't trade that thing in for a rocket. What they don't know is my dad and me, we drove her out to Tennessee. She's still here now, he's gone. So I hold on. It's just an old beat up box, six rusty strings across the top. It probably don't look like much to you. But these dents and scratches in the wood, yeah, that's what makes it sound so good. To me, it's better than brand new. You see this here flat top guitar, stand my back in a million bars, singing every country song. So I hold on. Without you, I'd be nothing. So would you ever worry about me walking out? Yeah, let me tell you something. I hold on. I hold on. Can you hear me, baby? I hold on.
Country 1035 Dirks Bentley, I hold on. Welcome to the Midday Show. My name is Greg. I'm with you until 2 o'clock. Listen, if you invested money this winter or spring in a home sauna, step outside lately, you wasted your money. You flushed it right down the old financial toilet because we've got our own free sauna membership. Just step outside. That kind of weather is going to continue. Forecast details. It's Neil Town straight ahead.
Daily grind, 9 to 5, whatever you call it. When 5 o'clock comes, it's time for the punch-out party. With Country 1035 and Stover's Auto Trailer and Golf Cart Sales in Madison Lake. Join JP in the afternoon every weekday at 5 p.m. for your favorite party songs to end your workday. It's the punch-out party from Stover's Auto Trailer and Golf Cart Sales and Country 1035.
It's the epic summer sales event going on now at Hyundai. Hyundai. Offering 0% for 72 months. That's 0% for 6 full years on the most popular crossovers like the 2019 Tucson and Santa Fe SUVs. Test